Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy a project on a Netlify from GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, go to app.netlify.com and sign into your account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto projects, and then on the far right, we've got the option to add a new project. So from here, we can import an existing project. We can click onto that. Now on this page, it's going to say let's deploy your project with one of the following. So we've got GitHub, GitLab, etc, etc. So go ahead and click onto GitHub. Little box is going to open up like so, where you want to go ahead and you might need to sign into your account, so your GitHub account. So I'm just going to authorize this. Now once it's authorized, it's going to say install Netlify or repository. So I'm just going to go ahead and click onto install. And now once we've done that, we can see all of our GitHub projects. So we can go ahead and deploy any one of these. So if I want to go ahead and deploy this Tiny Tails tracker app, so I can go ahead and click onto that, give this a name. So I'm going to call this Tiny Tails. Hopefully it's not taken. I'm going to have to add some numbers on the end. There we go. Here we've got build settings, so branch to deploy. Then from here we got build settings, so you can change that to your satisfaction. And then from here it's going to say add environment variables. You can add them if you want to. Then just simply click on deploy, and now that's going to deploy your project from GitHub to Netlify. And as you can see, I'm inside my project overview inside of Netlify.